the screen of my old phone. A crowded world surrounds me, but I've never felt so alone. Every night I press play, listening to your voice again. You said, take care, my darling, before the silence came. I close my eyes and wonder if you still think of me, or if you found another love across another sea.